Good evening, everyone. I hope everyone is able to hear me and everyone is able to see my screen here. If possible, can someone please confirm if you're able to hear me clearly and able to see my screen? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
thank you. There is a new batch formed. That's why there is a delay today. Before this class and after this class, the design patterns in microservices as well as React. So these are the new batches are getting formed from my side. So that's why there is a delay. Yeah, we'll go further on our topic here, guys. I requested everyone whatever the code I applied in user customer component and I asked to implement in products. Just like I want to see how many people did this. Only one. Okay, Javed. Okay, only one participant did. I don't know. But if they get a time or I don't know. Yesterday also class is not there. Maximum 15 minutes is going to take. It's up to your choice. Okay, I don't want to comment on that. Okay, right. Sir, any other questions before I start for today? As of now, before I proceed further, anyone, any questions so far? Okay. So what we have done, sir, in edit product component, we added complete links and we changed this. And in routes, we added three things over here. Products component, product component, edit product component here. Okay. Now what I am going to do here, what is the design of our point here, guys? By default, let me run the code over here. So, which is localhost colon 4200. And when I go to products, I'm getting products list here. I'm getting product list over here. Okay. Washing machine, freezer, and television. When I click this, I'm not getting anything here. But I need to implement this. Okay. As of now, I'm getting this. So what I'm going to do here, when I click on a particular product, okay, I should be able to navigate to view products. I should be able to navigate to view products. Okay. On view products, I'll place the edit button. Let me draw a diagram for you, small diagram I'll write here. Okay. So what is the things here? First, I'm going to get washing machine, TV, fridge, something like. So these are my products list, products list page, right? And whenever I click this, whenever I'm going to click this, I should get view products. What I need to get here? View product I need to get. Product name, washing machine. Okay. Product name, washing machine. Status, offline or online. And I should have a edit button. Edit button should be there as of. There should be an edit button here. So I'll click on washing machine. I'll get washing machine details. If I click on TV, I should get TV details. If I get on fridge, I'll get a fridge details. And edit. What I want is on click of edit button. Okay. On click of edit button, guys. I should navigate to edit product component, like edit product component. Edit product component or edit product component page will be there here. Okay. As part of this, here, I'm going to have product name, status, online or offline. I can change here. I need to have a button called as save. I need to have a button called as save. Product name is washing machine. The status is either online or offline, and save. This is my edit product page here. But for every product, I don't want to show this. Okay. For every product, I don't want to showcase this. Understand, guys? For every product, I don't want to load this. If the product status is offline, online, then only I can edit it. Okay? Edit page should come only in which condition, guys? What is the case over here, guys?
Status is online.
Yes. If the product status is equal to online, then only I can. Otherwise, I cannot show that. So this is what I'm going. Sir, intentionally I'm doing this because in real time also you'll have a similar situation, and we are going to implement this. So this is what I'm going to write the code. Okay. Any other question so far on before I implement this? As of now, everyone is clear.
Yeah. Sir, I was not clear on this use case, sir. What are you exactly trying to do, sir? Like offline, online washing machine means what does it mean, sir?
Mr. GP, again, after long back, you joined the class, right?
Yes, sir.
If you come in the middle, you cannot understand, right? Almost 10 classes are over on the same topic. At least, did you watch the recording videos before you joined here?
I'm watching 21st one, sir, right now.
Okay. So, you can, in the middle, if you came, you will not understand anything obvious, right? And you need to join. That's the main prerequisite I told in every class. Okay, offline
or online. They put SBMS class same time, sir. I don't know why they put both same time right now. There is a clash. I requested the admin people. They're not accepted my request. I don't know what to do now, sir.
I don't know, sir. All those things, it's offline. Okay. Every people is going to join and every people are joined here. Okay.
No,
I don't know.
SBMS, sir. There is another batch. Hacker search batch. They put it the exactly same time your class, sir. I don't know why they put both same time.
Okay. So this is not a type. Okay, please. We'll deviate. We'll not deviate here. Please talk to Ashok IT and on this. Okay. Right.
No, my intention is not to deviate, sir. Since you asked me, I'm telling you the response.
Okay.
So my question is about the use case, sir. When you say offline, online, what do you exactly mean, sir? Can you please explain that point, sir?
It's something. Product status is online and offline. It doesn't mean just like a status is here. We don't have any business logic on this here. Okay. You don't have any business logic here. Somehow I have a product and offline or online. Some status I'm showing and I'm displaying it.
Like and buying it online, offline, sir?
Something like you can think of. Something like you can think of. Okay. So first of all, what I want is, with some condition, I want to load a component. People should load technically. People should think technically. Okay. On a particular condition, for example, product status is online or offline, whatever it may be the condition. Okay. In real time, if you can correlate, for example, the product is available with a good quantity. Whatever the product quantity is available, maybe I can say online. If the product quantity is not available, I'll say offline. Maybe you can think of like that. Or the product quantity is available, it is not available in your shipping code, zip code. Then you can say online or offline, something like that. Okay. So first of all, the concept of what is online, offline is nowhere related to Here I'm putting a condition on a product attribute. I'm putting a condition whether the product status is online or offline. Then only I'm loading the edit products. That is important here. Through routing, I'm going to explain you. Through routings, I'm going to explain you how to load a component based on a particular product status. That is what
Sir,
I'm going to.
can you update it like available, unavailable, sir, instead of offline, online? It is confusing, sir.
It's only word is confusing. You can change the code, sir, because currently already code is there. Okay. Only the word we cannot confuse. If small thing also getting confused, it's no use actually. Okay. Offline or online, some condition I'm applying to load a component. The condition wordings are getting confused means I cannot do anything here.
Yeah, wording is important, right, sir? If you put a like a brand or website, if you put a junk name, nobody understands it, right, sir? So
Okay,
if
sir,
you
we are
can
going
make it available, unavailable, people will understand, sir. Otherwise, if you understand, nobody understands, no point, right, sir?
We are going to change that. Sorry. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Right. So, right. Any other questions, guys, on understanding this? Because you need to understand the use case, guys. Product list component, it should load. And on each and every product, if I click, it should come view products. On view product, I'm going to place a button called as the edit. Okay. On edit, I need to check a condition, the product condition. I'm going to make a condition. Based on that product condition, I'm going to load the edit products. Whereas customer component, we don't have this complexity, right, guys? In a customer component, we don't have this complexity. Directly loading a customer directly over. But here, intentionally edit came here. That's why a little bit of extra things I'm going to use. Okay. So what you are going to learn as part of this is how to preserve query params. That is what you are going to discuss as part of this. Last class, I explained path variables. Here we are going to see query params. Okay. And how to preserve the query params. This is an important interview question, guys. What is a query param? Why we need to preserve? What is the use of preserving query parameters? Or we are going to discuss. Okay. So the purpose of introducing a condition, is only, why I am explaining this intentionally, edit product should be loaded on a specific condition means I am going to cover a query parameter preserving. We need to preserve this. But what exactly the use case? How to do that? I'm going to take care. Okay. This is an important in your real time in handling, in working with the code. Okay. Right here. Now we are going to start the code here. So what we have done, sir, we have created router outlets. This is redirecting to a particular common page here. This is redirecting to a particular common page here, router outlet, as well as I am giving various routing paths here. So if it's a products means products component, if it's a product/ID, product component, because a particular product I'm going to load, product/ID/edit, which is going to edit product component. So this is how my routing links. I have not added child routings, but we are going to add. First, let me implement without child routings, and we'll apply this over here. Okay. So first one, what I'm going to, how we can start, guys? We need to go to where first point is, where we need to go to products list page. Correct, right? Inside products list page, I'm going to add the code here, guys. Am I right, guys? First of all, products list page, I'm going to add a code over here. In the products list page, right? I'm going to add the code of, what is the code I need to navigate here? Inside products list. That is the products last is that, okay? As of now, href is there. I want to remove that href. and I want to place a router link is equal to. So what is I need to navigate, guys? What is that I need to navigate here? Product component I want to navigate here, which is product slash ID right here. So what I'm going to do here, inside that, where I'm going to have products, comma, product dot ID. What is this product dot ID over here? If you see inside that product dot component dot ts, I have a product ID, I have a product name, I have a product status. There are three things here: product ID, product name, and product status. So this is what I'm iterating, right? So I am going to place a router link, product slash ID. After that, okay, what I am going to do is, good point, please understand carefully what I am discussing is, by default, the product status, whether is it available or not, online or offline, whatever the keyword, available or not, you are going to get at the list component itself. The complete product data is available in the list component. Okay? But I am not directly where I need this product status, where I need this. In the product status, where I need this. In edit product component, I need this. Sir, please observe carefully. Very, very important scenario I'm teaching, guys. Okay? I'm displaying the products in the list page. Every product status is available in the list page. Okay? But where I need this product status, in edit product page, I need this. Am I directly going to edit products? No, I'm not going to directly edit products. Understand, right? I'm not going to go directly to edit page. I'm going to go to view products. From view product, I'm clicking on edit button. From there, I'm getting. Okay. So what I'm going to do here, whenever you want to pass the data, I can use path variable, or else the other option is query param. Someone last class also request param, someone told, right? Okay. So same here, we are going to use, I'll pass this as a query param. Okay. Which is query param. This is the equivalent keyword at the rate of request parameter in Spring Boot. At the rate of path variable is this one. This is at the rate of request param. This is a query param. Okay. What is my query param? Which is equal to, I am going to introduce allow edit. There is a flag. Okay. I am going to introduce, there is a flag called as a allow edit. Right? Where allow edit means what exactly? Allow edit means what exactly the mean? What is the meaning of allow edit? You can edit or you may not edit. That's a condition, right? So I want to determine allow edit as well as not able to edit here. Okay. So what I'm going to do here, allow edit colon, if the product status is equal to, as of now in the code online, sir, but we can change it later. Okay. Or maybe anyone who are thinking, right? You can take this as an exercise. You can change wherever it's required. It is easy for you. When the product status is online or available, product status is available, then edit it. One, some Boolean flag, or else don't allow. So what I'm passing here, I am passing a query parameter, where on query parameter I am deciding as a query variable I am taking, query param I am taking. If the allow edit is equal to 1, I can edit it. If the allow edit is equal to 0, I cannot edit it. If the allow edit is equal to 1, I can edit it. If allow edit is equal to 0, I cannot edit it. And 1 and 0, I am based on a particular condition. Okay. So this is what I am going to click on. This is what I am going to change my hyperlink. I removed hyperlink and I placed a router link. So this is path variable and this is a query parameter. Someone asked me question, right, 2 days back or 3 days back, sir, how to write a path variable, query param request parameter. So this is a syntax is query param. This is an Angular internal keyword which will be added to the URL as part of query parameter. Okay, it's your choice. Whatever value you want to add, you can have it. Okay, now I'm saving this. Now you see the guys in the status bar. What you are going to see here? Were you able to see in the bottom left side? If I click washing machine, sir, were you able to see that, sir? Or maybe click it. Now you see here, product/1, allow edit is equal to 1. Let me go to products. I'll go to freezer. Product/2, allow edit is equal to 0. You're able to see that? Television. Product/3, allow edit is equal to 0. So what I'm going to do here, if I click on that question mark, that is query parameter, right? Products is a path variable, 1 is a path variable. And after that question mark, allow edit, this is a query param, which I'm sending here. But sir, intentionally I add a bug, sir. Anyone observed a bug, Mr. Javed or someone, I forgot the name. I forgot the name. Kannan. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, Kannan.
Yes, okay.
Yeah, so you observed any bug, Javed or Kannan? I did it intentionally, I added a bug in the code. I'll show you. Okay, that's fine. I click on washing machine details are coming. I click on freezer details are not coming. Again, I'm getting washing machine details only. If I click on TV, still I am getting washing machine details only. You saw that? Washing machine. For freezer should come, right? For television should come, right? Did you observe?
But
There's
if
a bug.
it's going to only you go through the code.
Yeah, we'll go through that. Now I'm going to go through the code, okay? Maybe you didn't get a time to go through the code actually, but intentionally added a bug, sir. That is intentionally, okay? Now we are going to fix the code. Now we are going to fix
I'm
the
seeing the query param, sir. Where are the path params here, sir?
What is the path param, Mr. Praveen? What is the meaning of path param?
Yeah, the one before comes the question mark, right, sir?
Correct, right, sir? Correct, right? Exactly.
That is
Product,
the router links.
Product is path variable 1 and 1 is a path variable 2. Where we added here?
Right.
In the router link, first one is product and
product.
product.id. Okay?
Okay, got it. Yeah. So that is also called router link and also path param both, right, sir? We can,
correct. In router link, which is going to add path variables. Okay, right. Yeah.
Path variables. Okay, sir. Makes
One
sense.
second, guys. 1 second. Yeah, right, sure. Now, by default based on product status. By default on this, I'm going, okay. Now we are going to see the code, guys. Inside.
Sir, what was the bug, sir? I did not understand the bug part, sir. What was the intentional bug?
Sir, are you not listening to the class?
Sir, I'm listening, sir, but you're going too fast, sir, for me.
I don't know, sir. There is a
You have
couple
to
of
slow down, sir.
problems.
You have to slow down so that people can understand, right, sir?
Sir, if you
just
join
said some
regularly,
bug.
right? If you join regularly, you will able to understand the catch. If you join occasionally,
Yeah, I will join
you will not
regularly, sir.
understand.
You tell the admin people not to override the classes, right, sir? They overridden the class. Now you are blaming me in the class, and you are not understanding and answering the questions with patience. You need to have patience to answer the questions. This is too much, sir. So I joined for the SBMS class. They changed the class timing, and you are blaming and you are questioning me, and you are you're not even answering the question, sir. This is not at all professional, sir.
Mr. Praveen, okay.
Yes, sir.
Please don't disturb the class. Okay. I'm where all
I'm
other
not
people.
disturbing the class, sir. I'm asking you a question. What is the bug you introduced, sir? That's all I'm asking. And you are started why I'm not joining. I keep on telling the same reason to you.
Exactly. I keep on telling the same reason because when not only now, in the couple of previous class also I observed you join occasionally and you are telling that it's because there are other participants are there in the class. I need to maintain the same speed. I need to complete
it. Yes, sir, I understand.
Okay?
Other participants paid the fees. I also paid the fees. You are as much responsible you have for other students. You have responsibility for me also, right, sir?
I want to discuss offline. Please disconnect here. I want to discuss with you offline. Okay?
Yeah, discuss with me offline, online, anywhere. But I need the clarification to my question, sir. Can you explain me what the stupid bug you introduced there?
First point, I want to discuss with you offline before joining to tomorrow class. Okay? I want to discuss with you offline. Before joining to tomorrow class, I want to discuss with you offline. Okay? Next.
Yeah, you discussed with me offline,
one
sir.
second,
I
sir,
also
please.
discussed with admin team, sir. I also discussed with Ashok, sir. And I really need clarification to my question, sir. Otherwise, there is no point of joining the class also, sir, for me.
Okay, please. We'll have it. Okay.
Yeah, I'm really very, very upset with the class, sir. The way how you're teaching, how you're discouraging students, how you're not answering the questions. This is really unprofessional, sir.
Okay, sir. That's fine.
I'm very sorry to say this. It's not that you're covering the syllabus. Students are understanding or not understanding. You're discouraging all the students. This is really pathetic, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, if you're not happy, kindly please drop out from the class. Okay. Please drop out from the class. If I'm not able to answer your questions, I'm not able to understand, I'm not able to teach you properly, you can drop out.
Yeah, I will talk to Ashok, sir. I will talk to Ashok, sir, and I will see what is this professionalism and why this type of instructors are allowed in the class. I don't understand, sir. You're not even professional, sir. This is very bad, sir.
Okay, fine.
You're simply shouting at the student.
Please
you're not
continue
understanding.
session,
You're
otherwise
not even
cancel it.
allowing me to ask any question.
Guys, please keep aside all these things. Okay. First time I'm seeing like this. Okay, please kindly.
I'm also seeing first time, sir. You don't need to explain anybody. I'm going to talk to Ashok, sir. I'm going to talk to admin people, sir.
Mr. Praveen, kindly please, class get let continue. Okay, right. Now I'm going to introduce the bug. When I click on washing machine details are coming. If I click on freezer, still washing machine details are coming. If you click on television, still washing machine details are coming. This is what I told. Okay, this is what I told, and I'm going to showcase the code where exactly the problem and how to solve the problem. Okay, right, guys, please make sure that
you are saying washing machine details are coming when you click any on one of those buttons, sir. That's what you meant to say, sir.
There is no button when I click on a particular product. Okay, that is what I requested. If you join to the regular classes, you're not understanding. If you join regular classes, you'll understand what I am clicking, where I am clicking, what I am doing. That is the intention behind my point here. If you join regularly, what it is discussed, what I am clicking, where I am clicking, where the details are coming, how the details are getting coming and how it's getting populated.
So
Right.
we have, like, sir, let's get to the point, sir. You have 3 products, right, sir? Washing machine, freezer, television, right, sir? So when you click which one, what is the bug, sir? That's what I'm trying to understand here, sir.
Okay. If I click on washing machine, I'm
Right.
getting washing machine.
Correct,
If
sir.
I'm getting on freezer, still I'm getting washing
Again, you're
machine.
getting washing. Okay, now I got it, sir. That's all you need to explain me, sir. That then I understood. Thank you.
And if I click on television, still I'm getting washing machine.
Correct, sir. Correct. Wrong product is getting mapped there. That is understandable, sir. Thank you.
And where we are going to, first point is, guys, how we are going to get a particular product here. How we are going to get a particular product here. Because how I am getting the product here, I have a code in product.service.ts. Correct, right? This is a services. This is what I have a services here, product services, where I am going to load the products here. Okay? Where I am going to load the products here. 1 washing machine, 2 freezer, 3 television. And I am having a code for get a product here. The code is good. There is no problem in the code. Constant products, this.products.find, where I'm going to find the products. And by default, I'm getting, there is no problem in the code here. Services side, I have a code and I can get a particular product here. And here, I'm loading proper products only. If you see here, product/1. If you see here, product/2. If you see here, product/3. I'm giving product ID properly. And I have a services code is also there. I have a services code is also there with me. But what exactly happening is, inside product.component.ts, I am hard coded to 1. Inside product.component.ts, I hard coded to 1. What is 1 here? What exactly the 1 over here? Inside product.service.ts, 1 is washing machine. So I hard coded the 1 over here. That's why whatever the product you clicked, you are getting the same data over here. Okay, right here. Now what I need to do here, instead of hard coding 1, right? Instead of hard coding 1, what I need to do here?
Give dynamic value.
Correct. Exactly, ma'am. It's a good point. We need to get the dynamic value. It's a good point, right? So how to get it, the dynamic value? In the same, however, I am getting in a customer, same code we need to add over here. Whatever I did in the customer, like getting a dynamic value, if customer 1, the same we implemented, right? Whatever the code we added in the customer, Ramu, user ID 1, Sita, user ID is 2, Ganesh, user ID 3. This is what I implemented in the user service, right? The same code we need to add over here. That's why I told whatever the code I typed in the customer related component, the same we need to do here. What is that we added here? Param subscription. You remember, guys? Param subscription. Everyone remember that actually? So what I need to do here, introducing here router, which I need to add router. After that, this is for routing. Activated route. Activated route here. This is giving me current path. Activated route is giving me current path. Router is giving me where we need to route, navigate. Okay. Now, inside ng on init, where I need to write constant product ID, this dot activated route dot snapshot dot params. Query params only, right? What is the parameter name? Same code we added, sir. This is not new code I am introducing. Sir, whatever the code I am writing, it's not a new code which is getting introduced over here. The same code, whatever I used in the customer component, the same code I am using here. Okay? So what exactly it is going to do here? Activated route is current snapshot. If URL is HTTP localhost 4200 /product/1 question mark some query param. Now I want to read this one. How to read this one? This dot activated route is giving me the current URL. In that snapshot, params of ID. How to get this ID? Products/ID. Where I'm going to take products/:ID. We are going to get it, and inside that products/ID. Okay. So this will give me 1 or 2 or 3, whatever the value I'm getting here. Okay. By default, sir, this value will be either 1 or 2 or 3 as of now in this case. But whatever I added here, that will be available here, that ID value. Okay. So it can be an integer or it can be a string. It can be anything. Okay. But by default, sir, in the URL, whenever you have a path variable, by default from the browser you are getting, it will be a string. It will be considered as a string because you are reading from the URL from a browser. Okay. That will be initially considered as a string. But in my service layer, what I'm expecting? Number. Get product I'm calling, right? This is a number. Okay. So you need to box it. Boxing or unboxing. Correct, right? In in our regular Java or any other programming language. So converting an string into integer. 1. Sir, it is not mandatory. Sometimes it will work, sometimes it will not work. Okay. So what I'm doing here, plus is a symbol in Angular. Plus is a symbol in Angular, which is going to box it with the required data type. So where it is going to convert into integer, and I'm going to, instead of hard coding, I'm going to introduce product ID over here. As of now, 1 is hard coded, but I don't want this 1 hard coded. I want to get it from the dynamic value, either whatever the value it can be. But that is not over it, guys. What we need to do here, we need to subscribe, right, guys? Whatever the code we added in the customer component, we need to subscribe it, right? Because there is a change in the parameters. Automatically component will not be reflected. Automatically component will not be reflected over here. By default, this dot activated route dot params dot subscribe. We need to subscribe to this. Same code, whatever we did. Okay. On that, where I'm going to have params. Okay. Where what I'm going to take here, I'm going to get this dot product is equal to this dot product service dot get product ID. But instead of product ID, what I'm doing to here, params of data ID. Params of ID. Okay. This is the code for the bug. I hard coded 1. Instead of 1, I am reading it from the activated route snapshot, which is the current path. From there, I am reading. And we are subscribing to the routing. I told the problem, right, in the customer, why we need to subscribe. What is the purpose of subscription? What exactly happens behind the subscription? Okay. 20 to 25 minutes I explained on the subscription. I shown a problem and I fixed the code and I shown the right. The same we are going to use over here. Activated route dot params dot subscribe, and where we are going to add params here. This dot product service dot get product of params of ID, so that always I will get the right product to my product component. I'm going to place a right product to my product component over here. Now we'll see here, guys. If I click on washing machine, freezer, I'm getting freezer. I'm getting television. Now I'm getting television. You're able to see that? If I click washing machine is coming. If I click freezer, freezer is coming. If I click television, television is coming. Maybe in the product component, I am going to write over here product name. And I'm going to write product status is. Right? If I click on products, washing machine. If I'm clicking on freezer, freezer. If I'm clicking on television, a television. Okay? So this is what I require here. Now what I need to do here, guys, as of now, I only did a navigation. When I click on a particular product here, I am only navigating to this here. This is what I did, sir. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to keep a edit button over here, guys. I'm going to place edit button over here, guys. Correct, right? So inside product dot component dot HTML, I'm going to place a horizontal row here. Button class is equal to btn primary. It's a bootstrap primary button color. And when I click is equal to, I'm going to write on edit product. I'm going to keep here. I'm going to keep edit product, which I'm going to keep here. Right? On edit of this button is clicked. I want to write a code over here because I want to edit to where I need to do here. I want to navigate to edit component. How to navigate edit component? Product / ID / edit. Product / ID / edit. This is a component, right? This is my path, right? So what I need to do here, this dot route dot navigate. What is my path over here, guys? First one is product. This is my first path. After that, this dot product dot ID, my product ID. Edit. Total 3 things, guys. What is my path here? Sorry, here. What is my path here? Product / ID / edit, where ID is only dynamic, remaining 2 things are static here. So what I'm telling, this dot route dot navigate product / product dot ID, as well as I'm taking edit here. This is what I'm going to click on that. But here I should not close over here, right, guys? Here I should close here, right? Okay. Product / products. This is / products. First parameter, second parameter, and third parameter. / products is the first parameter. Second parameter is the dot product ID, and third parameter is this. Okay, which I'm going to click here. Right. Now, whenever I click this, it is going to navigate to the product component here. It is typically navigating to product component over here. Okay. So what it is going to do here? HTTP localhost 4200 slash product slash one slash edit. Okay, which is going to navigate to this. It is going to edit product component. Okay, now we'll see here, guys. I clicked on, I didn't save this HTML. So I have a problem here. On edit, I wrote a problem, right? On edit, I should give brackets, right, guys? Right. Right. Now you're able to see that product, washing machine, freezer, television, right? Washing machine. If I click on edit product, it's going to edit page, right? Is it going to edit page, right? This is my edit page, right? Product name and product status.
Yes, sir. Yeah, edit page.
Again, I clicked on edit. Again, edit page. Again, television. Again, I am going to edit page. So navigation is good. What is the code I did, sir? Navigation is completely good here. So initially, I navigate. How the navigation is started, guys? Please observe carefully. This is what I told in class. This is the first navigation in products component and second navigation in here. List component and view component. That is how I am reaching here. Correct, right? Now, this is where we need to understand here, guys. Okay? Sir, I will ask a question, guys. I'm going to ask a question. Observe the URL, guys. Everyone, please observe the URL. Okay? You need to tell me what I need to get it here. By default, okay? In edit product component, what is my target I want to achieve here? What is I am going to achieve here? If the product status is available, I need to edit it. If the product status is not available, I should not edit it. Okay? I need to get the product status to where? In edit product component. Am I right? To edit product component, I need to get the product status. Is it correct? In the edit product component, I am going to get product status. But where is the status is available? In the list page, it is available. Is it correct? Product status is available in list page, right? From list page to view page, from view page to edit page. Isn't it? From list page to view page, from view page to edit page. This is what I need to achieve this. But please see, guys, here. Now, which page I am in? Product list page I am in. Okay? I saw allow edit is available. Is it correct? But when I click on edit product, allow edit is gone, right? Sir, let me repeat, sir. Please observe carefully, sir. Everyone, please observe carefully. I clicked on freezer. The status is not available. Allow edit is equal to 0. I click on washing machine. Product is available. Allow edit is equal to 1. Am I right? Now, this allow edit I want in edit product component. Correct, right? But I click on edit product. My allow edit is gone, right? It is not available in the URL. Is that correct? You observed it, guys, everyone? Whatever the query parameters I added in the list page that are not available in edit page because I need it in edit component. This is how in real time lot of people will get problems. Your data available in the first page, but you need the data in third page or fourth page somewhere else, and the data you cannot get it. Understand, right? This,
Sir,
this
it
is how
is,
in real.
Sir,
One
that
second.
edit button, one question on the same point, sir. That edit button should be disabled, right, sir? If it is basically 0, right? Only for 1, it should be enabled, right, sir?
I'm not doing that actually. What I'm doing here,
Uh-huh.
on click of edit product, I want to
Right.
show, instead of disabling, I'm not doing that actually. If at all, if I'm doing that, fine. Okay.
Right, sir.
Why
Right.
why I'm going to do that actually? I want to teach you one concept. That's why
Okay, sir.
I'm intentionally, I need to click on edit products.
Okay, sir.
On edit of that, I need to take care.
Okay.
Because I
Next
want to
step,
teach a separate topic here. Otherwise,
sir.
I can do here directly. Allow it is equal to 1, enable it. Allow it is equal to 0, disable it. But
Right, sir.
I want to teach a separate topic. That's why I don't want to do that here. What I want here, edit button should be always available. Edit button should be always available, irrespective of product is available or not available. And that should be on click of that, I need to control that. So what I observed here, whatever the query param which I added, it is available only till view products. On click of edit product, it is gone. That's why sometimes we need to preserve the data. We need to preserve the params. So
Sir,
tomorrow,
sir, 1 second, sir. Here, what is gone, sir? That part I am not able to catch it, sir. Can you please repeat one more time, sir?
by default, whenever I click it,
Uh-huh.
this is allow edit. It is coming.
Right, sir. Yes.
I clicked on edit. Whatever allow edit, were you able to see here?
No, sir. In the URL, it is missing. Yeah.
That is what I'm telling you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Okay,
That is
sir.
what I'm telling you. Okay.
Thank you,
So
sir. Okay.
by default, in your real time, you are in page 1. You need the data in page 5 or page 4. These things only useful in your real time environment. You need to preserve the query parameters, which I'm going to cover in tomorrow's class. Okay. Right. I'm going to share the notes, guys. I have immediate next class, guys. I'm going to share the code in the Ashok IT portal and you can get it. Okay.
Sir,
And also, guys,
sir, one last question, sir. Does it uses Ajax, sir, in the background for these calls? This Angular?
by default, sir, Angular does not use Ajax. It uses
Okay, sir.
observable and in the form of REST call, which is asynchronous. It's observable in the form. Okay, right.
Thank
Sir,
you.
and one more point, sir. Here, on click of edit, also same bug is there, sir. I click on freezer. Intentionally, I introduce one more bug here. I clicked on freezer. Again, washing machine is coming from me. In the edit product component, whatever I told right today, here also odd coded to 1. Please fix this also. It takes only 5 to 10 minutes. Only 5 to 10 minutes it will take. Okay. And please let me know who are really practicing the code. Okay. I'll add in the Google Classroom this exercise, and someone apart from Javed and apart from Kanan, I want some new people to add the code and I'll be happy. Okay. Thanks everyone for today. We'll meet tomorrow. Have a great day. Thank you.